Hello friend, in this video we will see tree set sorting using user defined objects. So for that I'll move quickly on Eclipse IDE and I already created the class employee, that is user defined class, and member variable ID, name and age. Now I'll right click on that and generate constructor, and I'll also generate setter and getter. Okay, so I'll generate it for all member variable. Okay, now so this is the user defined class and I put this class inside the tree set. So for a demo I'll create class tree set demo. I'll create the main method. I'll create the set object with employee, generic type and new tree set. Okay, now I'll create the employee class object, even goes to new employee ID 1, name Mukesh and is 23. I'll create the more object. Okay, now I'll change the data and name of object and ID. For I am providing the randomly 3 2 and is 33 13 and 30 because soft softy okay, and Manoj. Okay, now I add these all objects inside the tree set object. Add even I added it. Now I correct the name of object. Four. So you can see there is no compile time error here if I am adding the object inside tree set as a user define. Now I will print tree set object. I'll use iterator dot name system dot out println. Okay, and then I'll run this program. So here you can see the exception, class cast exception. Employee cannot be cast to Java Lang comparable. So here I'll tell you if you use any wrappers object and string object inside a tree set, then it provides sorting by naturally. It internally use comparable interface, and right now I added the employee object. This is a user defined object and it having three parameter: id, name and age. So in this case, comparable cannot be like identify on which parameter I'll provide the sorting, by id or name or age. In this case, we got this error. For fixing this error, we need to provide our own implementation with comparable or comparator. So if you want to perform sorting based on a particular parameter, suppose id, or you can take name, or you can take age, you can go with the comparable. So how we can implement? Let's see. So here on employee class, I implement comparable and with generic type employee, because we are using this employee class. Now we need to override method, that is compare to method. Okay, so you can see, you can click on the problem and you can see implement the method. So this is the compare to method. In compare to method, we need to provide the implementation on which parameter you want to perform your sorting. So for example, right now I want to perform sorting based on id. So I take it id, this dot id equal to o dot id. It should return 0, else if id this greater than, then it should return 1, else return -1. Okay, so this is our implementation. Now I'll quickly move on tree set demo class and I'll again run this program. Here you can see we did not get any class cast exception, but we are not getting the output correctly. So I'll override toString method in that class. So simply I click on this class and on generate I go with toString. Okay, so I override it toString. Now I'll move again and run that program. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This sorted based on the ID. One more thing, if you want to perform sorting based on descending order, you can use here the descending order, but you need to change set from the navigable set interface, because you know the hierarchy of tree set. So tree set like super interface navigable set and navigable set super interface set. So that methods are not available inside that set. Now you can run it. You can see this is printed in the descending order. But one more question, like how a tree set allow duplicate or not, and how it will not allow the duplicate. So for example, I added id this as a duplicate 2. So this id is 2 and this id is 2. Then in case id will duplicate or not, let's see. id will not be duplicate. So that is also performing like managing the duplicacy based on the id as we provided inside our comparative method implementation. Now one more questions can also from this example. Without using a descending set or navigable set, how will you print the object in descending order? So simply I can show you here. So that is also we can do from the our comparative method implementation. So simply here you can change this logic. Okay, then I'll run it and show you. You can see this is right now coming in a descending order. Okay, so now I'll come with the comparator in the next video. Thank you for watching it.